Welcome to Taube Pilates TV. I'm Louise Taube. I have a small Pilates business in Melbourne, Australia. Here is a standing workout, so you don't need any special props, no tools, no equipment needed, and you don't even need that much space. We'll start off with some deep breaths. So take a deep breath in and exhale. Breathe. Here are some benefits Pilates breathing can have. It helps you relax. 2 more. Lowering the harmful effects of the stress hormone cortisol on your body. Okay, now we're going to do some chin tucks. So we're just going to think of taking your face back to your brain. So you just pull it, keep the eyes level. So eyes are up and you're just pulling the chin in. So we're stretching through the back of the neck where those muscles get tight. These neck stretches and exercises can help you release tension, tightness, and stiffness. Chin tuck, that's it. Okay. Now chin tuck, and we're going to drop the ear to the shoulder and center. Other way. Keeping the face to the front. They can reduce pain and increase flexibility, as well as getting rid of text neck and forward head posture. Chin tuck, we're going to turn your head left and right. These exercises may allow people with chronic neck pain to experience improved function. Coming back to center, just looking up and center and lift. Go your own pace and don't force any movements. Drop your ear to the shoulder, roll, and roll, roll, and roll. Gentle neck mobility exercises may decrease headaches and neck pain. Use slow, controlled movements to do these exercises. Yeah, Jessie's here. Look at her. She's so cute. All right. Let's do the shoulders. So we're just going to squeeze your shoulders together now. So we're going to squeeze and release. Squeeze. These exercises help to open out rounded shoulders. Shoulder blade circles. Lift up, circle down and around. That's it. And back the other way, down and around. Good, and then shimmy those shoulders. That's it, nice. Let's do the mermaid. We're going to lift one arm up, lengthen out, and lift, and down. Second side. Stretch, lift, and down. Inhale, reach. one last time. All right, reaching the arms forward, we're going to go into a little twist. So take a breath and we're just going to twist, twist and center. And twist, twist and center. All right, we're going to reach your arms up to the ceiling. Bend the elbows, extend through your spine. So breathe in and exhale, lifting the chest. And two more. Okay, turn the palms to face up. So you'll have the hands facing up. And we're going to take a breath. As you exhale, we're just going to reach the arms back. And so elbows are long, reach. That's it, very nice.
Opening out rounded shoulders can assist with neck and shoulder pain.
More. Okay, hands to your rib cage. We're going to shift your ribs left and right. So like a typewriter carriage. So you've really got to get that rib cage to move. That's it, left and right. Keeping the pelvis nice and steady. Good. And now circle the rib cage around. Back the other way. Good. Let's have your hands on your pelvis. We're going to focus on some pelvic floor lifts. So taking a breath, and we're going to exhale, draw in and up through pelvic floor, tightening that lower belly, and breathe in to release. Fight that lift in and up through pelvic floor and slowly release. So you'll feel that lower belly tightening under your hands. That's it. So the hands are down low on the bones of the pelvis. So as you exhale, we're going to draw and lift the pelvic floor in and up and slowly release.
No one wants to wet themselves. Working the pelvic floor will improve bladder and bowel control, reduce the risk of prolapse, improve recovery from childbirth and gynecological surgery for women, improve recovery for prostate surgery for men.
Okay, we're going to do some squats next. So staying nice and long through your spine, we're going to bend the knees and reach the arms forward and lift. So lengthen and lift.
Everyone wants a good butt. In order to get this, make sure you sit right back in space with your weight into your heels.
Nice work. Two more. Okay, let's do some lunges now. So I'm going to interlace my hands. I'm going to lunge back and then lift the leg up. Find your balance point. So lunging back and lift. That's it. Lunge and lift. Good. Scoop through center. So really send the weight over the top of that pelvis. Find that balance point. That's it. That's it. Last time. Okay, let's do the second side. So I'm going to lunge back on that leg, lengthen, and then lift. So reach back. Good. And one last time. Lift. Nice. Okay, now we're going to do those side lunges. So we're going to lengthen out to one side and then come back, find that balance point. Lunge to the side and lift. That's it. Lunge and lift. So remember, we're going to keep your pelvis right back in space so it doesn't load up that knee. So the pelvis goes back. Lift. So lunge, lift, find the balance. That's it. Lunge, lift. Good. Lunge, lift. That's it. And lift. Good work. And lift. Two more. Last time. Lift. Okay, change to the other side. So I'm going to lunge out on that leg. The other leg is nice and straight, and then push away. Find your balance. Lunge. And lift. So really send the pelvis back. And lift. Nice work. Scooping through center.
Do this workout for 5 days in a row and let me know how you feel.
Okay.
It would be really, really great if you could subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, it gets my numbers up, it lets other people know that my channel is out there, and I feel more motivated to make more videos, and I feel a little bit more loved. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel.